on my behalf, thank Director BRC, Dr. Banerjee, his wife, Mrs. Banerjee, for sparing your very, very valuable time and being with us for this program. Sir, here I would like to just put a small request to you, which is our, rather I can say, it is our right to ask our patrons if any problem we face. I would like to put one request to you that in our colony, our cable TV system, as well as we want to provide internet facility to our BRC residents. For that we will be very much obliged and very much thankful to you if some help is extended by department for putting fiber optic cable in the colony, because the earlier cable, now we are not able to cope up with the demand. Already the colony has become very big, residents number also has increased, and the existing cable, we are not able to meet the demand. Only this small request we put forward to you, and I hope that you will definitely give a ear to our request, and we are very much hopeful that our request will be fulfilled. I am very much thankful to Shri H.S. Kamath, who made his valuable time available with us. Shri A.K. Mishra, Director NRPP, Shri H.B. Kulkarni ji, Shri Changrani ji, Shri Ajay Mishra, and all my senior colleagues who are present here for this program. This program was fixed in a very short duration, so whatever best possible we arranged it. I hope everybody must have enjoyed it, and I am thankful to all the audience who are present here as well as witnessing this program through our CCTV network system in the colony. They are at their residence. I am thankful to them who are sparing their time being at home and enjoying the program, and I definitely sure that tomorrow I will get a word of encouragement from all the residents, though they may be physically not present here, but by seeing program at their houses they will definitely send a word of encouragement to us. And last but not the least, all the volunteers of our managing committee who extended their full help in organizing this program. I know it is not easy to organize a program, and unless the help from all the volunteers extended, program cannot be made a success. I am very much thankful to all the volunteers, and at the same time, before we end the program, I would request Dr. Banerjee to speak few words and give his word of advice, and I would say the word of graces to us. Dr. Banerjee, please.
Our colleagues in the BRC, it gives me great pleasure to come and attend a program here. When we attend any program here or just even enter this colony, we feel that it is a mini Anushakti Nagar. The moment you enter, you get that feeling. You may be few hundred kilometers away from our site, but you are not away from our minds, because we always remember that BRC is not limited only to Trombay, but it has campuses elsewhere, and one of the biggest campuses is here. The other big one is in Kalpakkam. This afternoon I was going through different activities of the BRC facilities in Tarapur. Of course, I also had a chance to go to TAPS 4 and 3. So seeing these, we always feel extremely proud of the achievements of our colleagues. As you all know, that Tarapur, our BRC facilities have very major roles to play in reprocessing area, in waste management area, and also in fabricating fuels for our fast reactor. In fact, many a time we have been discussing the major workstation of BRC is not in Trombay, but outside. It is in Tarapur and also in Kalpakkam. Because the deliverables that we have to provide to our program comes mainly from these two stations. We have to provide the nuclear fuel for the fast breeder reactor, and also we have to produce the reprocessed fuel to meet this requirement and fabricate it suitably for this second generation reactor, that is the fast breeder reactor. So I must compliment for the excellent work that is being done here. And to this community, I am feeling very happy to see that they are not only busy in their workplace, but they are also performing so well in the cultural sphere. It is indeed a matter of pride and satisfaction for all of us to see that our own employees and their family members, children, they are doing so well in performing in performing arts, and it is just a sample of that we saw this day. There's one request that has just been made to me. This is regarding the internet connection and fiber optic cabling. On this, I'll definitely carry this request home and see whatever best that is possible. But as you know, anything that has to be done in BRC colonies are to be done in some kind of an uniform manner. So that problem does exist, but at the same time I can tell you that I'll try my best to see these kind of facilities. But there are many other issues which we have been discussing about the number of quarters, other amenities in the colony, and these issues all will be definitely attended to. In fact, one of the reasons for my visit this time was to find out that what are the basic deficiencies of these colonies and where we can improve upon. So I give my words to you that I will try my best to see that if there is any deficiency that can be met or not. So I'll place it to the department, your request. Thank you very much.
And we are definitely sure that when it is like a family, when parents say to children that it will be done, we are sure that it will be done. It is a matter of time. It may be tomorrow, it may be day after tomorrow, but we are sure it will be done. Thank you for your kind words, sir. And at the end, I thank one and all for being with us. Here we end the program. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, just one thing we missed in this. We should welcome.